Buying a smartphone under 25K is a challenging task right now. I know. This is the reason मैं आपके लिए ये वीडियो लेकर आ गया हूँ. In this video, I'll tell you the best smartphone options under 25K, and trust me, the last one is totally amazing. So to know more, just keep watching this video till the end and subscribe to Galaxy 360 for more such interesting content. I'm your host Harshit Arora. चलिए टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं, सीधा शुरू करते हैं. So if you want a bigger battery phone जो कि latest Android phone भी हो, then you can consider the recently launched Realme P3 Pro. This smartphone comes with 6.8-inch AMOLED display with 1500 nits peak brightness. This device looks fancy. You get the alloy frames and plastic back, but this plastic back panel glow in the dark environment, which also makes it look so attractive. This smartphone comes with Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor and latest Android 15 OS. The device comes with 8 and 12GB RAM options and 128 and 256GB internal storage option. The performance is good and you can play games or do multitasking on this device easily. For the camera part, we get 50MP primary lens with OIS support also and 2MP secondary lens. The camera can record up to 4K at 30fps. On the front side, you get 16MP selfie shooter also. Now moving on to battery, the Realme P3 features a 6000 mAh battery, which of course lasts longer, but साथ ही में इसमें आपको 80 वॉट की वायर्ड चार्जिंग सपोर्ट भी मिल जाती है. तो ये लेटेस्ट एंड्रॉइड सिस्टम के साथ आता है, बढ़िया बैटरी मिल जाती है, बढ़िया परफॉर्मेंस भी है, तो आपको ओवरऑल पैकेज अच्छा फोन मिलता है. Now, if you want a good smartphone with clean and simple OS जो futuristic भी हो and साथ ही में जो काफी handy हो, then you can consider Motorola Edge 50 Neo. The smartphone features a 6.4-inch LTPO display with 3000 nits peak brightness and 120Hz of refresh rate. इसमें आपको Gorilla Glass 3 का प्रोटेक्शन भी मिल जाता है, तो एक काफी handy फोन है, आप इजीली यूज कर सकते हैं, लुक वाइज भी अच्छा लगता है. For the performance part, you get Dimensity 7300 प्रोसेसर, Android 14 बेस्ड है और इसमें आपको up to 5 years Android upgrades मिल जाते हैं. This device features 8 and 12GB RAM and 256 and 512GB internal storage option. For the camera part, the phone features a triple rear camera setup, 50MP primary lens set, 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, 13MP ultra wide lens आपको इसके साथ मिल जाता है. The rear camera setup can record up to 4K. For the selfie part, the camera features a 32MP selfie shooter and this can also record up to 4K. And at last, with Motorola Edge 50 Neo, you get 4310 mAh battery which lasts almost for a day and आपको इसमें वायरलेस चार्जिंग का भी सपोर्ट मिल जाता है. Now, if you want an all-rounder phone, then this is a good option for you. And this is OnePlus Nord CE 4. This smartphone features a 6.7-inch Fluid AMOLED display, good for binge watching and gaming also. आप सभी कुछ इसमें आसानी से कर सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत आपको नहीं आएगी. If we talk about the performance now, you get Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 प्रोसेसर जो कि अभी एक लेटेस्ट ही प्रोसेसर है, कुछ टाइम पहले ही लॉन्च हुआ था. एंड दिस प्रोसेसर वर्क सुपर फास्ट. आप इस पे बिना किसी दिक्कत के अच्छे से BGMI या Call of Duty जैसे गेम्स एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. You get Android 14 with this device and this device features 8GB RAM and 128 and 256GB UFS 3.1 internal storage option. For the camera part, you get 50 plus 8MP rear camera setup which also have OIS support and this camera setup can also record up to 4K. On the front side, you get 16MP selfie shooter and rear and front दोनों ही cameras जो हैं वो काफी crisp and clear picture capture करते हैं. अगर बैटरी की बात करें, then you get 5500 mAh battery with 100 watt wired charging जो कि काफी तेजी से फोन को चार्ज भी करता है और फोन आपका जो साथ है वो लंबे समय तक निभा भी सकता है. So these are the best phone you can buy under 25K. Well, which one of them do you like and you want to buy? Do let me know in the comment section. बाकी इस तरह के और कंटेंट सबसे पहले जानने के लिए do subscribe to Galaxy 360. I'm your host Harshit Arora signing off. I'll see you in the next one.